at kilala rin bilang bangus capital of the Philippines.
Kung gaano kadaming fresh bangus dito sa Dagupan, gano'n din kadami ang nag-audition dito sa Northern Luzon at gustong maging first Pinoy Idol. But the question is, will we have the big catch here?
One of these guys may be our first Pinoy Idol.
She's all, but she's all the woman. Magmahal pag may syota kang iba.
Or should I say, may not be?
It's never gonna work out.
Hindi ba graduating ka? Tapusin mo kaya muna.
Is there any way that I can stay in your arms?
Parang sirena na.
Kung saan-saang lupalo pa sila nang galing. Even someone who traveled halfway across the globe.
Hi, my name is Anthony Limholko. I'm 21 years old from Makati. I'm originally from Glendale, California.
Your wish is my command. I could move a mountain when your hand is in my hand. Oh, you to me are everything, the sweetest song.
You're nervous, right?
Yeah.
You are nervous.
Kabado si Anthony. Ito kaya ang magiging dahilan para bumalik siya sa States ng luhaan? Meanwhile, direct opposite naman ng well-off living ni Anthony ang buhay na hinaharap ni Rosemary.
Napalayas po kami sa bahay. Isa-isa pong naano yung mga gamit namin palabas ng bahay.
Nasaan na tayo sa kwarto namin? Maliit na kwarto. Ayan.
Masikip man ang mundo ni Rosemary ngayon, alam na alam niyang gumalaw dito.
Kahit na pagod ka na, yung parang ayaw mong magising ng madaling araw kasi papasok ka sa call center. Yung pag hindi ka magtatrabaho, wala kang kakainin, wala kang titirahan.
Are the luckiest people in the world.
Is it a yes for Rosemary para sa kanyang dream home for the family? At no kaya ang bitbit ni Amboy pauwi sa Amerika?
Cute siya, pero siguro mas cute ka pa pag relax kang kumanta.
You know what? Maybe one of us should just vote for him.
Sige, si Mr. Wingard.
It's a yes.
And for Rosemary,
Ako hindi ako impressed. I got so bored. Oh, average siya eh. So sa akin, Rosemary, it's a no.
I like you.
Parang may kulang. It's a no.
Well, I'm still happy and I can make it through this life.
magkasalungat mang landas ang kanilang tatahakin. Life will still go on for both Rosemary and Anthony.